How to download and install VLC media player. Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's super quick video shows you how to download and install VLC media player, a free and powerful option for playing all sorts of media files on your computer. First things first, let's grab VLC from a trusted source, open up your web browser and head over to the official VLC website at www.videolan.org/VLC. Click on download VLC, which is the orange button right here. You can choose different things, or click directly on the button for your download to start automatically, as the website automatically detects your operating system to avoid any unwanted software. Then click on this and the download will start. It will only take very few seconds. If you're on Windows, double click the downloaded installer file and a setup wizard will appear. So just follow on the on-screen instructions. Let's head over to the downloads file and here go to programs. After going to programs, you're going to find the VLC installer right here. We gotta just look for it and here it is. Double click on this installer and the setup wizard will start. Click OK, next, and then install and the installation will start. The space required for VLC is 174 megabytes, so make sure you have that space on your disk. Thanks for watching everyone and don't forget to subscribe.